How to install ChatGPT app. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to install ChatGPT app. In order to install ChatGPT app, you need to follow these steps. Now, depending on the type of device that you're using, you have to go to your respective app store. Now, as per the Android, you need to go to your respective Play Store, and as per Android, go to App Store. On the search bar, type in ChatGPT and click on the install button. Once the application is completely installed, you click on the open button and start with the sign up procedure. Now here, the one thing you need to do is while you're doing this procedure, you have to be sure that you have a stable internet connection and that your device has enough storage as well. And that's how you could go ahead and install the ChatGPT app onto your device. And as per the iOS device, you need to do the same thing, but you just have to go to a designated app store and install the app. So for the desktop or Windows, you just want to visit the official OpenAI website. So you could use a browser version of it as well. You do not need to create an account. You do not need to install an app as well. So just go to chatgpt.com and you will be taken to their official page. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.